What's going on, everyone? We're going to be doing something a little bit different than my past videos, and I know I say that all the time, but I think I'm going to start adopting it as a catchphrase today. I'm going to be here with Emily. And Emily, what are we going to be doing today? We're making pizza. We got this in Brickfire down in Mission on $4.95. They're selling this for about $8 a piece, and if you want to come see what this box has. If I understand correctly, we have the marinara sauce. This one. We have the mozzarella. Oh, that smells so good. Can you smell that? Okay. I think this is flour. We still haven't figured out what this is yet. But it made my mouth make me feel weird. And my favorite part of the pizza. Oh, those smell so fresh. Smell good.
Close up.
Close up of these are so. I just want to eat these by themselves.
Me too.
First, before we get started, we need to preheat the oven. They said 500 for 7 minutes. Or we could do 1,000 at 3.5. Preheating. I think this is how we do it.
Did you need a rolling pin, or is it just with the hands?
I don't know, maybe a rolling pin would help. We have a rolling, oh, we have an actual rolling pin.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, dude. Whoa.
Okay, I think this is how they do it. I just can't make a circle.
Okay, you need to roll it like that, then stop and flip it. Like, not flip it, but like turn it side.
On its side?
No, roll this to the side.
Like flip it?
No.
No.
Like, pick it up. Are you sure this is flour? Are you sure it's not, and then put it like that. So roll and then pick it up and move it like that.
Okay.
Okay, now pick it up.
Picked it up?
Yeah, and then, no, don't flip it.
Flip, no flip it.
No flip. No.
Okay. Like that. Okay.
But that cheese looks good.
Try these.
I'm not gonna try those. Some sauce. Some pepperonis. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna have a long pizza.
Should I try?
Do you want to try?
So my hands are already washed, okay everybody? There's something up with this one. Maybe it has to be kneaded more? Does that make any sense?
Like we need more dough?
I don't know.
Wait, I saw this one time on Gordon Ramsay. Hold on.
Gordon Ramsay, really? I'm still thinking that's not flour they gave you.
And what is it? This looks a little bit like flour. And it could just be mixed in with something else too. It is flour. Look how it looks on my hands.
What is it mixed with?
No, does it look like I work at a pizza place?
I think we need to get some flour.
Do you know what kind of people don't like pizza? Weirdos.
How big does it need to be? Do you want to try it?
I kind of like what you had going on here. I think you want to help me here and try and just get the edges so they look more like crust. Because I've already given up on this being a circle.
We're gonna make a square pizza.
A square pizza. You know why we're gonna make a square pizza?
Because you take out on the down.
Because we don't cut corners.
How do you feel about Dad and his dad's joke? He thinks he's so funny.
I would be saying more pizza jokes, but I think it would get too cheesy. Okay, we need a scraper.
A scraper?
Okay, what we're gonna do is...
1, 2 scraper?
I want to do it.
Okay, you're gonna help me spread it?
Is that not on?
Yeah. It's like we're coloring. Don't go outside the lines.
Oh no! Oh no, Dad.
No, it's not.
Oh my God, that is
No, you had it right before. I don't know why I messed it up.
It's okay.
There you go.
Time for the mozzarella. I don't know, they like grated it there or they bought it like this because this is really a nice quality cheese. Hey Jennifer,
What's up?
why did the hipster burn his mouth on pizza?
Why?
Because he bit it before it was cool.
I think the way you're making it, it looks like a Lunchable pizza.
It is. This is just a glorified Lunchable pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, pepperoni time.
I would want to buy another kit again.
Yes, maybe we could do another one, do around 2. Or we all have a pizza competition to see who can make the best pizzas.
No, I need half.
No, it's everyone for themselves. There's no teams in the kitchen. That looks somewhat decent.
I think we had to map out one.
No,
There's never enough pepperoni.
Oh my God.
I wish I had some more cheese.
Yeah, mostly I tapi.
Where are the cheese?
Whoa, Emily.
Do you know what these cabinets are made out of? Mahogany. This is gonna be the last we see the pizza like this. And we'll see you in a few minutes, pizza. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
Oh, you want me to? Thank you. Oh, you go again. Oh.
I can't do it. What? Oh, no.
Look at that. Oh, it's gonna go down after this one. Oh. Was it this one?
No.
Okay. Was it this one?
Yeah.
But not this one.
No.
And that's why I've always been scared of dolphins. The 7 minutes are up. Oh, this looks so pretty.
Wow. Oh, and it smells good.
It smells amazing.
We left some sauce on the side and it burnt, but this looks good. Wow, very proud of y'all.
Okay, the moment has come. Let's get our nice pizza thing here.
How are you gonna cut it?
Oh,
Oh, that cuts so nice.
Let's see how it looks.
I want to beat.
You can see the nice layer. Let's see how else I can cut this. Like this. Tell the story. I think Jennifer has an awesome story about pizza cutters. Jennifer?
No story.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Well, a long time ago, I remember it as if it was 9 years, 7 months, 23 days ago. We were at the store at H-E-B, if you must know. And we were walking around and oh,
Hot?
yes, very hot. And Jennifer walks up to me, trying, like, you know. Oh my gosh. I feel like I cheated by trying that before you all. Like Peter Piper who just out Pizza at the Hut. To me, everything was cool. I thought we were just gonna get some groceries and stuff. And then I see her just get this really weird look in her eye and just go to my stomach. And I see a pizza cutter, so my initial reaction is to try and hold everything in case she sliced all the way through. Okay, Emily, do you want to be the first to try the pizza?
Is it still hot?
It's not that hot. No, I think this one's good. Let's see, homemade pizza. Is it good? Let me try it. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
It's still hot, but here, try it, Jennifer.
I'll try right now. I don't want to burn my mouth.
Can we go buy like 5 more of these? That one's good.